Hello there, I'm Anthony Alampi. I'm the owner of X Factor Consultants, a digital design and consulting company based in Austin, Texas. We design user-friendly websites and mobile apps using the principles of visual design to ensure that users have the best experience possible. Visual design is an exciting creative discipline that, when implemented properly, enhances the experience of users and leads to better sales and stronger user retention. This course is a quick introduction to visual design, and no prior design experience is required. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include the history of visual design, key elements of design such as color, typeface, and composition, and a review of some of the common digital tools used by today's professionals. Once you've completed this course, you should feel comfortable diving into courses on color theory, typeface, and visual composition. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about visual design with the Big Picture Visual Design course at Pluralsight.